Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share with you the best consistent work habits. These habits will not only transform your productivity but also your job satisfaction. So, let's get straight to the point. Starting the day with good planning is essential. Plan your week on Sunday night and review your to-do list daily. The words organization and clarity are magic here. When you are organized, everything flows better. Having a powerful morning routine can be a game changer. Include physical exercise, meditation, and a healthy breakfast in your morning. Words like energy, focus, and well-being are essential to start the day on the right foot. Focus on the most important tasks first. The time blocking technique can help here. Dedicate specific blocks of your day to essential tasks. Words like priority and results are key to staying focused. Regular breaks are vital for maintaining productivity. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour. Use this time to stretch, have a coffee, or simply breathe. Words like recharge and renewal are important to stay fresh and productive. A healthy work environment makes all the difference. Keep your space clean and organized, and make sure there's good lighting. Words like harmony and comfort are fundamental to creating an environment where you can thrive. Never stop learning. Invest time in online courses, relevant readings, and workshops. Words like growth and knowledge are essential to staying updated and competitive in the job market. Balancing work and personal life is crucial. Dedicate time to activities you love and to being with the important people in your life. Words like balance and happiness are indispensable for a full and satisfying life. So that's it, folks. These are the best consistent work habits that will transform your productivity and well-being. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any content. See you next time.